Hi YouTube, I'm Dylan, and today we are going to be drawing Rabbit from Winnie the Pooh. So let's begin. First off, you will need a piece of paper and a pencil. I'm just using basic printer paper, nothing real unique. And to start with this rabbit, you start with a small little circle for the top of his head and a simple sideways oval for the bottom to form what might be an upside down light bulb shape. And remember to draw very loose and light at first. And don't forget to put the center line so you know where the middle of his face is going to be. Put a line across to know where the nose will go. And then we need to put a little square at the bottom for his neck. And then for his body, it's going to be this kind of a stretched out, kind of a pear shape or a bowling pin shape. Then we're going to put these two lines that go around it to create like a middle part. That shows where his stomach separates from his fur. Okay, we got our basic shapes in. Now we have to draw his nose. And his nose is going to be this almost it like gets a little bit flat at the bottom and a little bit rounder at the top. It's almost it's nearly an oval, not a perfect oval. Think of like a watermelon maybe, or a something like that. Okay, then we'll draw these two lines across that kind of curve this way. Those will be his cheeks. Then right up here are the right up here you're going to draw this kind of wave shape. That is going to be the bridge of his nose. And it's also where we're going to put the eyes eventually. Then you're going to put these curves at the bottom that go down to his neck. Just like that. And now let's put in his eyes. His eyes are going to be these not perfect circles, and they're going to be and make sure you put a little bit of detail at the top for the eyelid, or like the rim of the eyelid. Then put the eyelids themselves. One will be like this. And now we have to draw the pupils of his eyes, which will be just two simple ovals. And then fill them in. All right, then you're gonna put his mouth in. He's gonna have a nice little smile to him. And then give him these whiskers. And then put his lower lip right at the bottom of his mouth. And then draw these curves for his cheeks. And then we need to draw his eyebrows and make sure they look a little bushy. Like, give him these zigzag lines. Just like that. Then color these in black. Color these in black as well. And then, right near close to the top of it, draw these curves at the top. And then draw these zigzags that go like for his fur. And there's 3 of them on both sides. And then right at the top, you're going to draw these 2 zigzags for his fur at the top, just like that. Then we'll draw his ears, and they will be these long kind of leaf shapes. So we'll start with this flat S curve with a simple C curve at the back. And a similar thing with over here, but in the opposite direction. And then draw the outer edge right there as well. Okay, next we need to draw his chest. And similar thing with over here. And this side's going to be a little longer. And then we draw the rest of his body. We have to draw his tummy exposed first. Just like this. And then this simple curve right at the bottom. Okay. Then then we'll get the other side of both sides of his body, where the fur is. Okay, so we got his body. Now we need to draw his arms, and they'll be fairly simple because they're going to be like a little behind his hips. So we'll draw these 2 straight lines. Make sure there's a line that sticks out. The line sticks out a bit. And similar thing with over here. And then right here, you're going to draw this kind of backwards S shape. And similar thing with over here. And then draw a little fur line right in the back of the elbow. And then right on this arm, you draw these 2 curves like this. Put a little line there to show there's a finger. And then on this side, just draw a C shape, a finger, and another finger, just like that. And now we have to get his feet. So we'll draw these, make this kind of boomerang shape, but don't make that that knee area like a point. And put these two curves right here. Here's the other leg that's gonna be a little folded like that. Okay, we got his feet in and his legs. Now we have to draw the feet. And it's gonna be like these little slippers. Just like this. Then we'll draw, he has 3 toes. And similar thing with over here. Here's his 2 toes on this side as well. And then if you want, you can go ahead and put a little shadow underneath him. And there you have it. You have your own drawing of Rabbit from Winnie the Pooh. I hope this helped you. And if you had fun, please like, subscribe, share with your friends, and we hope to see you next time.